Fairmont GXL left rear door. I've got under here. All that work from before. The inner side. Almost forgot to put my two little holes here for the door rubbers. Get this all dusty now. It's all nice. So that was that little patch there. And if you guys are following along doing this sort of stuff and you're sort of new to it, do yourself a favour, scratch back the whole thing, because I found this. I just filled it up with a little bit of weld. This one was chasing a bit of rust. The idea is, look, if you can weld it together, there's enough metal there to be okay. Not perfect, but okay. A little one here too. So yeah, it's ready for priming.